Hey guys, me Blaine, I'm back again, and well, I finally did it after about 2 years. My screen protector, it protected my screen, but I actually hit it. I hit it twice actually and got little chips in it. So today we're going to see how easy it is to replace this screen and the reasons why you should have, and I'll explain to you here in a second why. Okay guys, so my screen protector, I got a couple chips in it here, as you can see. A little chip near the top and a chip near the bottom. Now, the ways I did that was because one day I decided to use my Tesla Model Y as a pickup truck. Yes, I have a tow package on this and I got a trailer and I could have used it, but I just wanted to make a quick trip down to our local hardware store, Home Depot, and I believe it was around about 15 2x4/8s that I needed to pick up. I was doing a project in my backyard, so I started getting those 2x4s and I had the seats laid down and I was stacking them right here on my center console. And I brought them in, and I brought them about 3 or 4 inches from the screen. And I only live literally about 1.5 miles from Home Depot. So I'm like, well, I'll just go real slow and no problem. Well, wouldn't you know it, as I was driving, someone did pull out in front of me. I had to slam on the brakes a little bit, and one of the 2x4s did slide up and it barely touched that screen. And when it sat there, of course, you know, I had my hand, I was trying to grab it and it vibrated a little bit. Well, it caused a little chip in the protective screen that I have on there. And the bottom chip that's on here, honestly, I don't know where that came from. I don't think that came from the 2x4s, but the top one, it sure did. It came from the 2x4 that came up and hit it. And the thing is, though, it didn't crack my screen. I'm not having to replace my screen. The only thing I'm having to do is I'm going to replace it with one of these. Okay, so I'm going to take the screen protector off. I'm going to clean my entire screen, and then I'm going to install this guy right here. Now, one of the things that I like about this specific screen protector is, one, is matte, so you don't see all the fingerprints, and it's not that high glossy one. I hate that glossy one. It's just like what comes on your, well, it's the same view as what's normally on your screen, but I like the matte one because it hides a lot of the fingerprints and the glares. So when you get the sun glare coming in, you want to get the screen protector that is the matte one. And the other thing that I highly recommend about getting one of these is get one that comes with the cheater frame. You got this frame that you put on your screen, and then when you go to put this on there, it goes in just perfect. You're going to get a perfect fit on it every time. Some of the other brands don't come with this frame, and you've got to figure it out and, you know, specifically get your screen protector on perfect. Now, if you don't get it on perfect and you have to take it off, they don't normally go back on the same way, because you lose some of that stickiness and you get dirt, you get hair, you get things behind it, so it just doesn't work out. So anyways, I recommend getting this one right here. The link to this will be down below in my description, and I'll show you what I'm talking about before I remove my old one. So right here is the little frame that comes with it. This frame you'll put right over your screen, and then you put your screen protector on the inside of it, and it'll be a perfect fit. Keep in mind that this one here does say up right here, so you want to make sure you put this on the up, because there is, and I've learned this the hard way, there is a slight curve on the bottom of your screen protector. You don't really notice it, but if you do put it upside down, you will notice that difference. So anyways, make sure you install this correctly. All right, so let's get started. We're going to take off the old screen protector and then clean it, and we'll go from there. I'm probably going to use a little special plastic wedge tool to help get in there behind my screen protector to get it started and pull it off. So anyways, let's get started on that. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I want to get in here. I'm gonna put that in there. Slowly bring it out. There you go. And your screen looks brand new. Now I am going to put it in screen clean mode. There you go. Next, I'm going to open up this little kit that they give me. LCD cleaning wipes. You got your cleaning cloth. Got some sticky things you can use. So you will really want to make sure you get all the dust and everything off of it before you put your new screen back on. Make sure it says up. Put that on there. Make sure there's still no dust anywhere. I don't see any. Next, I'm going to take out my screen protector. And before I take off the backing, I want to see where the, so I believe this is my top. I can see a slight bend down there. And if I put that in there, that's perfect. So it's flat all the way across the top. And that's up. And then on this one here, I'm putting this sticker. So it's like this, and even though it's written upside down, that's gonna be my top corner. So before I do anything, let's make sure there's no more dust anywhere on that screen. I don't see, oh, I do see one. Try to help out some of these bubbles. I'm going to take my frame off and start rubbing out some of these bubbles. Now, over time, some of this heat will cause any bubbles that you have to disappear. So it looks like I installed it correctly. See, it's curved down along the bottom a little bit, straight on top. Looks like I got, I don't know, maybe I don't have a bubble coming up in the middle, but I'll just keep an eye on that, keep pushing on it throughout the day. So we're gonna, now to take this off, we're gonna hold the exit. There we go. And we'll get rid of all that. And it looks like everything is working. And guys, just so you know, normally I do not charge up past 90%. It's just I'm getting ready to go on a trip right now and I need it to be at 100%. So that's the only reason why I'm getting ready to charge it to 100%. Normally I only charge it to 100%. I mean, sorry, I only charge it to 90% every day. Well, there you have it. Installing the screen protector takes literally not even 5 minutes to do. It just takes a little longer, making sure you get all your fingerprints and any kind of dust you might have on there. Make sure you use the tools that come with it. If you can get one that comes with the frame, like the one I'm using right here, check the link down below. It's taking you straight to Amazon. Works perfect every time. You don't have to worry about guessing and get that screen just not put on perfect. This thing here takes care of all that guessing, you know. See the picture in frame? You know, anyways. Get this one here, or get one that at least has the frame. It does come with some instructions here, as you can see, English and Chinese. But anyways, make sure you read them before you do anything. It's simple, but But the screen protector, I highly recommend. Like I said, I've already had a couple 2x4s hit my screen. If I didn't have that screen protector on there, I might have cracked my screen, and that's definitely not something you want to do. So and I don't recommend throwing 15 2x4s inside your car either. I do things sometimes it's not recommended. So anyways, hey guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, hit that like button. Even if it's useful, hit it. If you learned something, hit that like button. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button as well. Help out my channel. It helps out with all the algorithms and all that. So, and most of all, guys, be safe, have fun, and keep driving. Until next time, guys, check you later. Bye.